Hey guys, we are going to be dividing really small numbers in scientific notation today, okay? If you need a scientific notation review, I will link one in the corner for you, okay? So these are really small numbers. If I were to turn these into standard notation, on this one, I would move to the left 4, right? On this one, I would move to the left 9, okay? So that would be kind of hard to divide. So we put them in scientific notation to help us. Now, when they are in scientific notation, the good news is my exponents don't have to match. When I add or subtract numbers in scientific notation, these need to match. It's kind of a big deal. But when we multiply and divide them, they don't have to. We can just go ahead and divide, okay? So when I do this, first I'm going to divide my decimals, okay? 8.52 divided by 1.2. I'm assuming if you're doing this for an assignment, your teacher will probably let you use a calculator. If not, I will link a video in the corner showing you how to divide decimals if you need a review, okay? But when I stuck 8.52 divided by 1.2 into my calculator, I got 7.1, okay? And then we are multiplying that by 10 to a certain power that we haven't figured out yet, right? So when I divide exponents, I actually subtract the exponents. If you need an exponent review, I will link a video in the corner for you. But I'm going to take -4 and subtract, subtract -9. Okay, so -4 minus a -9. When I subtract a negative, it goes positive, right? When you take something negative out of your life, that's a positive, right? So we've got -4 plus 9, which actually gives me a +5, right? So you might be like, hold on, we started with 2 negative exponents and now in my answer, it's gone positive? Yes, it has, and I'll show you why, okay? So my answer is 7.1 times 10 to the 5th power, okay? Now, if I had gotten an answer and I didn't have just one number in front of my decimal point, we would need to adjust it so that it's truly in scientific notation. Say I'd gotten 71, I would want to move my decimal over and change the exponent accordingly, okay? All right, so let me show you why it was 2 negative exponents, but my answer has a positive one. If I were to write these in standard notation, this is what it would look like, okay? Aren't we glad we did it in scientific notation? This is not very pretty looking. So these are really, really small numbers, right? But the reason my answer is a big number is because this really, really small number goes into this small number a lot of times, right? So that's why I started with 2 negative exponents and then my answer actually ended up being a positive exponent, okay? All right, hopefully this made sense. If it did, if you could hit the like button, if it helped you, that would be awesome. Helps me out a lot. Also, if you need some other scientific notation videos, I will link a playlist for you. Thanks, bye.